ASELSAN has an extensive family of remotely controlled weapon systems which can be applied on both land and naval platforms and can be equipped with different caliber guns from 7.62, 12.7, 25, 30mm cannons and 40mm grenade launcher. If we start with the land weapon systems, SARP is the one that that is one of the members of our land remotely controlled weapon systems, which can be equipped with 7.62, 12.7 and 40mm grenade launcher. And all the subunits of the system is owned by ASELSAN. We designed, developed and produced system 100% by our own technology. So other than the weapon itself, we can integrate different type of weapons from different sources like US weapon, European weapon or Russian weapon. Other than the weapon itself, all the subunits, critical infrastructure and the technology is done by ASELSAN. So we have an electro-optic suite on the turret, which is composed of thermal imager, day TV camera and laser rangefinder, and these sensors are also owned by ASELSAN, designed and developed by ASELSAN. And it has some distinctive features like it has automatic target detection, target tracking capability. It's stabilized in both azimuth and elevation axis, so you can fire on the move and you have very high hit accuracy while you are firing on the move. And we have a universal ammunition box. For 7.62 we can put 1,000 rounds of 7.62 ammunition. For 12.7 we can put 400 rounds and 100 rounds for 40mm grenade launcher. So it has a big ammunition box. And we have already provided this system to the Turkish army and some other security forces and armed forces in Turkey. And we also exported this system to international customers of ASELSAN. So it's a field-proven, combat-proven system, and it is widely used in Turkey for the ongoing fight against terrorism and other beyond-border operations which has been undertaken by the Turkish armed forces. SARP-L, which is a lightweight version of the SARP system. Some of our customers want us to provide a lighter version in order to integrate 5.56 and 7.62mm guns. So this is the solution that we provide for unarmored vehicles or some lighter vehicles. We can provide this system to our customers, and we can integrate 6-barrel 7.62mm machine gun, which is M134. And it has, like, as far as I know, 600 rounds per minute firing capacity. 6,000, sorry. And this is the version for lightweight solutions. And we have another version over there, which is called as SARP Dual. And the main difference of this configuration from our SARP system is that it can be equipped with two guns. One main gun, which can be 12.7 or 40mm grenade launcher, and the coaxial gun, it can be 7.62mm machine gun. So for different purposes you can use both guns, and these both guns can be operated, controlled through one single remote control controller unit. And we have also signed a contract for this SARP dual system to be provided to Turkish armed forces in a huge number. And this is the newest, if you like, we can go to the newest configuration of ASELSAN for land remotely controlled weapon system. This is called Nefer, and it can be equipped with 25 and 30mm cannons. And the other specifications are very similar to our SARP system. It's remotely operated, it's fully stabilized, it has automatic target detection and tracking capacity. For larger vehicles like 6x6, 8x8, we can integrate this system now. It is ready and it can be marketed. And lastly, one of our customers specifically requested from us to design this system. Actually, they wanted to have a dual SARP system, dual gun, the main gun being 12.7 or 40mm grenade launcher, coaxial gun 7.62, and they also wanted to add two anti-tank missiles, anti-tank guided missiles, and we originally designed and developed this system to give a specific solution for the requirement of our customer, and it's under development stage now, and it will be produced and delivered to our customer. And besides our land remotely controlled weapon system, we also have naval versions, and similar to our land versions, these systems are also field proven and combat proven systems. We have already provided these systems to Turkish Navy, Coast Guard, as well as our international customers in Gulf, Middle East, Asia and Europe. So this is our 30mm configuration. It's called Muhafız. As the name implies, we can integrate 30mm cannon into this system. It has an electro-optic suite which is composed of thermal imager, day TV camera and laser rangefinder. The main difference is that it has an independent electro-optic suite. So while the barrel or the gun itself is not moving, you still have an independent surveillance and reconnaissance capacity through this electro-optic suite. And it has dual feed mechanism, and you can have 200 rounds ready to fire with this dual field mechanism. And it has automatic target detection, very similar to other remote weapon systems of ASELSAN. Automatic target detection, tracking, and very high hit accuracy during the cruise. While you are on the move and your target is on the move, you still have very high hit accuracy with this system. And this system, I can say, it's already in the service of Qatar Navy, and it's going to be in the service of Qatar Coast Guard in a very short period of time. And also in Malaysia, we have already provided, and in Croatian Navy, we have already provided these systems. So in Gulf, Asia, and Europe, we have our systems already fielded. And this is Stamp 2, the latest generation of our 12.7mm naval remotely operated machine gun system. And the Stamp version was already in the service with the Turkish Navy and other international customers, but we have upgraded this system. We have introduced a new version of this system. There are some specific differences between the previous version and this one. First of all, if you can come to the side. In the previous version, the electro-optic suite was fixed to the turret, so it was not moving independently. Now we have an independent electro-optic suite, very similar to our 30mm Muhafız system. So without moving the turret, now you have the control over the electro-optic suite. Again, like as I said, for the land weapon systems, all the structure, all the infrastructure of the system is designed and developed by ASELSAN, also for these naval versions. And another difference is the remote control unit. Now we have a much bigger screen, and it has more features and capabilities. The operator can see the thermal image and the day TV camera image at the same time on the screen, and the other settings can also be very easily set by the operator through the remote control unit, and it has a more user-friendly interface now. And then another the option that we introduced with this new system is that it has below deck ammunition feeding capacity as well. So previously the operator was going up to the deck of the vessel and installing the ammunition inside the ammunition box. Now, without going up to the deck, from the below deck, it can be automatically installed. And yeah. The system is named Korhan. The vehicle and the weapon system itself has been designed and developed by ASELSAN. Previously, we were integrating our weapon systems onto different vehicles of the vehicle manufacturers, but now as ASELSAN, we have the capability to design and develop a vehicle itself, so we can provide the full solution, a full system solution to our customers. The weapon is 35mm remotely operated, fully stabilized weapon system. It can fire on the move, and it is a surface-to-surface remotely operated weapon system, but as a secondary mission, it can also fire against air targets. So for land applications and for air defense applications. For two purposes you can use this system.